homemade banana pudding. Nothing's Hi, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to prepare our Grandma Renfro's homemade banana pudding. Nothing store-bought except for raw ingredients. So stay with me as I run through the ingredients and show you how to make homemade banana pudding. We're going to start off with 3 cups of milk. Pour in your pot 3 cups of whole milk. I'm going to put in 2 eggs, medium-sized eggs. And it's best to go ahead and put that in and start getting it incorporated. Probably going to have to break out the whisk for that. One tablespoon of vanilla. Half a cup of sugar. 2 tablespoons of butter. My grandma would say a pinch of salt. And before it gets too hot, you're going to need to put in the flour. I'm going to put in 3 tablespoons of regular plain flour. And go ahead and start whisking and getting it all incorporated. If you do it when it's hot, it'll be lumpy. So do this portion, at least the flour, when the milk is still cold. Nobody likes lumpy banana pudding. Now, if you prefer not to use flour, you can use cornstarch as your thickening agent. I've got the heat set on my stove that is about a 4. While we're waiting for the pudding to thicken, we can go ahead and start cutting up the bananas. You'll want to have 5 to 6 bananas. Go ahead and start cutting 2 of them up. Your choice of wafers. I have Best Choice vanilla wafers. While cutting up your bananas, you will occasionally want to stir your pudding mixture. You want to stir it frequently to prevent it from scorching on the bottom. It takes a few minutes for it to thicken. The consistency you're looking for, I don't know if you can quite see that. It's about 1/4 of an inch. I'll bring you back when the pudding has thickened. I already have 2 bananas in the bowl. I've got some vanilla wafer cookies, best choice. And you can see how that has begun to set up, just sitting there. More bananas. And cookies. I'm just going to put in the rest of the bananas. This is just a layering process. Well, I was going to reserve 1 cup of the pudding, but it actually took it all. What I'm doing now is just trying to make sure that all of the cookies are covered. And just for something pretty, I just go around and adding a few cookies. And the 2 that I have left over, I just put them right in the center. And there you have it. This is my Grandma Renfro's homemade banana pudding.